All right, YouTube, minutes after that NS822, now we have NS821, the westbound counterpart of 820. Westbound here in Suffolk this time. And he's really honking that horn. I don't know what type it is, but it looks like an EMD up front. Anyway, I know the power's going to be good. It's NS power. We're laying back. We're checking them out. Here we go.
NS821 got to clear it Suffolk.
Somebody's happy tonight. Looks like an SD60E up front. Then we got a K5 LA on this engine. Yep, it's SD60E on the point. Let's go. He's got a 4-pack. He's got a 4-pack. Got a good one too. Yeah! 7,000 watts. Brand new AC21 DSM Black 2. Yes! With a Monster 821. Let's go! Let's go! Whoa! Yeah! There goes 821 heading west with a maxed out train, 175 cars with a quartet of engines. SD60E 7001 up front, AC44C6 and 4160 was a freshly rebuilt AC44C6L from a Dash 9W, NS SD70 ACU 7305 and AC44C, I think 4050 was in slot 4, so 2 C6Ms in that one, and an Ace, all rebuilt engines, all rebuilt lash up. Impressive. All right, we're waiting on our eastbounds. That came out of nowhere. All right, thanks for watching.